Hi, we're here with Amy Sherman from LeakSmart, and she's here to tell us about by far one of the most important products in the plumbing world today, and that is all about protection and detection of leaks in the house, because it's one of the biggest insurance claims that you can have as a homeowner. So we've brought in the valve, the cut-in version of LeakSmart and the snap-on version. So Amy, I guess, do you want to kind of walk us through each individual part, the difference between the two, and what we need to get the full system to detect a leak and protect the home?
Absolutely. So I'll start here with our snap-on version, since we have all of our kind of kit here put together. So with this version, you see that it actually snaps on top of an existing ball valve, and there's open and close buttons here at the top. So right now it's open, so I'll just kind of click close. You can kind of see how it actuates the valve, kind of like a kind of a remote hand actually cranking that ball valve closed. So in the event of a leak, within about 5 seconds or so of that leak being detected, our system is going to close your water main and protect your home. Nice. So in order for this to work, we do have a hub. This is our hub 3.0 here that you see on the board. That's our Wi-Fi version of the hub, so that could be mounted centrally in your home, and that's kind of the brain of your system.
Right.
So that guy is going to receive information from our leak sensors here that are placed throughout your home. These are wireless as well, so they have little prongs on the back that will detect water, and that will send a message to your hub, which in turn can close the valve automatically depending on how you have your sensor configured. So if your sensor is configured to do a protection mode, it will automatically turn off the valve. Or if you have the sensor in a location where you just want to know the presence of water, we can do a detection only. That will just alert you on your app.
Right, like the kids are making too much mess in the bathroom and
right.
splashing water
That's a good one. That's a good one. Yeah.
Shut it off. Now, what I like about the sensors is it will send to the app. It'll show the battery life, and then chirp at you, send alerts if it's getting lower, below 10 and 5, and too late. You know, you got to change those batteries if you want to protect your house.
Absolutely.
Also, in the new 3.0, you don't need to plug in an Ethernet cable. It just talks to the router.
Absolutely. So that's just a Wi-Fi hub there. Makes it really easy to locate it in the prime spot, central in your home, so it can communicate easily out to all the devices and kind of act as that brain for you. In addition, that hub actually does have a battery backup similar to your laptop battery, so it's a rechargeable lithium battery. Lasts about 5 to 6 hours after you lose power to that hub. So in the event of a power outage, we do have battery backup in the hub, in your valve controller here. This also has battery backup, and of course the sensors are battery as well. So you're protected even in the event that that power goes out. Another key important point about LeakSmart is that our hubs actually use Zigbee radio frequency to communicate to each device. So we're not reliant upon Wi-Fi in order to protect your home. So Wi-Fi is important for your app and your notification, but if a leak occurs in your home, even if the internet power out, you're still going to close your valve and protect your home.
Awesome. So you get that rural internet out there. It doesn't matter. You can get the Zigbee protocol is going to help out there.
Exactly right.
You won't mind if we test the system here with the brass ball valve here, the cut-in version?
Sure. Yeah. So as with a lot of our other products, we do have a variety of different solutions based on what you need for your home. So we started out with this kind of snap-on controller. If you're not able to cut into the pipe itself, this valve would work exactly the same with the system with the hub and sensors, except this version is actually cut into your water main just after the main shut off. And so here, of course, you have remote control of the open and close from your app. There's buttons on here, and then I do have a sensor here that's connected into our system. So we're just going to trigger a leak so you can kind of see what that looks like. So I'll stick this guy here in our wet paper towel.
Very wet paper towel, yeah.
That's right.
Spilled too much water.
So you'll hear we have an audible beep, and then my valve is going to go ahead and close there for me.
That was quick.
Just a couple seconds.
And then at that same time, you get an alert right on your phone.
That's right. So, and you can manage text, email alerts to a group of people, up to 20 different people if you want to really notify people of alerts happening in your home. And you'll notice that as soon as the leak is resolved, my sensor stops beeping, but my valve's going to remain closed until I actually take care of the problem, interact with it, and go ahead and open it back up there.
Awesome. Yeah, great product. And also the top home insurance companies offer monthly discounts on this, correct?
We
With
do
proof
find
of
that
install?
a lot. Yeah, so depending on your insurance company, give your agent a call and see if they'll offer a discount or rebate on your for leak protection.
So most likely by the time the warranty runs out on this, the customers had it paid for itself because of the discounts, which is a huge selling tool for this product. But thank you, Amy, so much for coming on here and talking about LeakSmart, which is available now at Jackson Systems. Check it out.